Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Monday, April 7th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Jennifer is a good basketball. Correct. And the second one? That's right. When? Number 1. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is a good tennis player. Jennifer is a good tennis player. Player. She is a good player. She can play tennis very well. Now we can make a flashcard for player. Please make a card like this. Write player up here in the top left corner. Player. Down in this corner, PEO1. This means people, level 1. And over here the number 51 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. A, like ABC. A. Play. Player. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. When will you go to Japan? When will you go to Japan? When? What time, what day, and what date will you go there? Now we can make a flashcard for when. We also use when like this. Please repeat. Bob didn't like onions when he was young. Previously, before. Please make a card like this. Write when up here in the top left corner. WHEN times 2. It's when will you go to Japan and when I was young, for example. Down here, GW1. This means grammar word, level 1. And over here, the number 122 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Can you say it? That's right. When? Game over. You did very well today. I am a good tennis player. Very good. For a sport or a game. And number 2, when. Very good. If you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, A rock. Yeah, this is a small, hard thing you can find outside on the ground. Jennifer is intelligent equals she is smart. Very good, with an R. And I need my reading glasses. Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.